Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a product that's essential for any vehicle owner, the Interstate Batteries MTP-65HD Group 65 car battery replacement. We found this product online and have included a link in the description so you can check the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the Interstate Batteries MTP-65HD? This is a 12-volt automotive battery that packs a punch with an impressive 850 cold cranking amps (CCA) and a reserve capacity of 150 minutes. It's designed to be a reliable replacement for a wide range of vehicles, fitting over 600 different car models. Whether you drive a car, truck, SUV, or even a cargo van, this battery is engineered to meet the specifications of your vehicle's original equipment manufacturer. Now, let's talk about the standout features of this battery. First and foremost, its outrageous dependability sets it apart. The MTP series is designed to deliver long life and superior performance, particularly in cold to moderate climates. With its higher CCA and reserve capacity ratings, this flooded battery offers 25 to 30 cycles at an 80% depth of discharge. This means you can count on it to start your vehicle reliably, even in challenging weather conditions. The Interstate Batteries MTP-65HD is perfect for a variety of users. If you live in an area where temperatures can drop, or if you regularly drive in conditions that require quick starts, this battery is an excellent choice. It's also suitable for those who use their vehicles for heavy-duty tasks, such as towing or hauling, thanks to its robust power output. In practical use cases, imagine starting your truck on a chilly winter morning or heading out for a long road trip without worrying about battery failure. This battery's reserve capacity ensures that even on longer journeys, you'll have the power you need for accessories like GPS, music systems, and more, all while keeping your engine running smoothly. Interstate Batteries has been a trusted name in the industry since 1952, with a mission to provide an outrageously dependable source of power. Their commitment to customer satisfaction is evident, and they even encourage recycling by allowing you to return your old battery for a refundable core deposit at any Interstate all-battery center. In summary, the Interstate Batteries MTP-65HD is a reliable, high-performance car battery that caters to a wide range of vehicles and driving conditions. With its impressive specifications and commitment to dependability, it's a solid choice for anyone looking to replace their automotive battery. Thanks for watching.